And it's Florida. It's super hot out, sunny and hot out. I think it's time to change the cabin air filter on the GTI. It's summertime. All you have to do is loosen these thumb screws. Very easy. 1, 2. Pull this down. Ooh, a bunch of junk in there already. Oh, look at that. Huh. It wasn't even in properly. Look at that. So maybe I wasn't even getting that great of air conditioning. I mean, it was half going into the filter and half out. There's lots of garbage in here. Look at that. Oh man. Look at this. Put it back in is pretty easy. I went with the man filter. Made in Germany. CUK 2939. Niner. And just gotta slowly feed it up. Oh. I kept knocking the camera over, but you just gotta slowly feed it up. Just like that. Boom. This wasn't locked, clipped in. It's supposed to be. And clip it in like that. There we go. I might actually get better air conditioning now. Solid. I'm glad I did that. It was definitely dirty. Kind of like a little place for that to go. Slide it in like that.